Open the PSD file. There will be an organization of layers as following. Do not rearrange the layers. Expand the side decor folder and choose the object you want by toggling on the visibility of that layer. Next, you can choose between using single frame or frame sets. Repeat step 3 for the rug and sofa layers. Note, the sofa leather layer must always be turned on. You can refer to the object hierarchy image to see the full map of the product. After setting up your scene, expand the wall scene folder you selected until you see the green highlighted smart objects. The green highlighted smart objects are named according its frame size. Double-click the smart object thumbnail of the frame size you want to insert your artwork with. Another window should appear consisting the default example image. You can toggle the visibility off or delete that layer later. Drag your artwork inside this window. Resize your artwork to your liking. Note the blue guides mark where the frame matting will be. You can ignore them if you're not planning to use them. After positioning your artwork, continue to File, then save or Ctrl+S to make the changes. Close the Smart Object window. Your artwork should be placed into that frame. Repeat the same process for other display objects. Expand the frame folder you selected. You will see gold frame and matting layer. You can toggle both visibility off to have a basic white frame setup, or you can choose one of both. The Easy Selection layer can be used with Photoshop's Magic Wand tool for quick selection. Expand the frame folder you selected. You will see by default the Easy Selection layer visibility is toggled off. Toggle it on. A color-coded layer of that object will appear. Expand the Easy Selection layer to toggle which frame type. While the layer is selected, activate the Magic Wand tool and click the area you wish to select. After selected, toggle the Easy Selection layer off. Activate the layer you want the selection to apply.